Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. This isn't financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified. Click the share and the thumbs up to notify others. We're here to talk about Origin Protocol, OGN. Intraday Updates on the Twitter link below. OGN US dollar. What could I tell you? I get them goosebumps every time. I think about OUSD as a DeFi, the metaverse and the NFT world that these guys are tapping into. It's in all of the mainstream, piped into the real future of crypto. And it gives a lot of crypto cred when you start talking about folks who run this very company that you're watching this video on right now, YouTube. Pretty impressive. Anyway, looking pretty good right now. Still consolidating. We're definitely under the line here. Make no mistake about it. We could be tapping a support area of around 98 cents. If we drop below that, we're definitely going to, I think we're likely going to bounce down to 93 on that line, at which case I will be sitting there with my plate and fork ready to dig into more OGN. In the meantime, we're going to flop over to OGN US dollar, which may be a little bit of a flop over here, but we also could be having this very short-term period of support, about a week long. We've been over 1749. We're at 1763. So again, we could be holding here across both crypto pairs. We could be holding at 98 and change. So, evident also on the OGN Bitcoin pair as well. So let's flip over to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin certainly pulling up back up over that line, which we drew. It looks like it has failed. I think right now the proper area of support is probably 55.8, as evident by this for the last, I'd say 2 weeks, right over there. So it looks like we'll probably bottom out at worst case over the next few days over 55,835. I still think this thing's going to start running up against that 60,000 mark soon. Okay, let's flip over to Bitcoin dominance and let's take a look at what's going on here. So certainly we went down below this line, we pulled up, and we're still under this line that we drew yesterday. It was one support. Now resistance, which is good because we want this thing to be down. So a resistance line up on top of it is good because typically means you're not necessarily going to go over. You're likely going to just either hug it or you're going to go down. So we'll see what happens here. But currently we're at 41.60. We caught a bid today, but it's been a little all over the place. But not a lot of action. Yesterday was a little bit more action. So we'll keep your eye on that. But right now, resistance around 41.84. We're 41.60. I don't really see a floor here other than 40.45 from back here. But that's all I've got. Meantime, OGN USD. I get them goosebumps every time. Take it easy.